Hello everyone! The business development team from Crystal Fountains is reporting from sunny California this week. We're actually in town visiting some clients, but in between appointments, we obviously love fountains, so we want to go and see some of our currently existing fountains and seeing how they're doing. So one of the fountains that we're at right now is the Christ Cathedral fountain, which was built about 5-8 years ago. And there are some NIF 100 nozzles in the background there. As you can see, Jesus is also walking on water, but there's also white LED lighting on there. The LED 020, line voltage, 60 watt light fixture. Unfortunately, we can't show you that right now since it's daytime, but wanted to give you a little view and enjoy the show.